Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this MaxView MV30 30mm crossbow scope from Killer Instinct. Opening it up, it comes with two 30mm scope rings and the scope itself, as well as a lens cloth. All right, has a 30mm main tube, is made of aircraft grade aluminum, has a hard anodized finish, and is purged for fog and waterproofness. It does have scope covers already on it, or lens covers, which I do like. It's 30mm, which I like. And it has a speed ring. So this ring goes from 340 feet per second, and it has a locking ring to keep that speed ring from moving when you don't want it to. And that's a very important thing that I like. It goes all the way down up to 460 feet per second. Actually, it goes just beyond that. Love that it has that locking ring. This is all metal too, and it's knurled. This is just a really cool scope. It is a fixed power scope though, that's something to note. It does have illumination, takes a 2032 battery in the side, and it's dimmable illumination, has green illumination and red illumination. Capped windage and elevation turrets on this. They are 1/2 inch at 20 yards, which I really like, instead of like 1/4 inch at 100 or something. They are audible and tactile, not super tactile, but work quite well. Really nice, high quality scope. Is a little bit heavy, but that's probably meaning that it's good. Okay, and it's a 2 to 7, or it's let's see here. Okay, inside the reticle here, it's kind of cool. I wish you guys could see inside there. It has sub tensions for 30 yards, 40, 50, 60, all the way out to 150 yards. That's just absolutely insane to me, shooting a bow at 150 yards. But it does, and it actually has numeric values for them, and then it has wind holdover dots, which is nice. I do like that. Even at the top, it says keep fingers keep fingers below the thumb and finger guard, which is a great reminder. Illumination's really bright, which I like. The green's really crisp and clean. Red's great too. I really like this scope. Glass looks pretty well as well. It's got a 36mm objective. Really, really nice. Really nice.